Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I got asked this question this morning. Can Google alert me every time someone makes a change to my documents in Google Drive? And I'm going to show you the tests I did and the results I got. But before I do, hit this subscribe button because I got a whole lot more videos coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. So I have a spreadsheet out there that I created called TLB Investments. It's got my $63 million portfolio that's in my mind. It's a bunch of numbers. And I shared it with a Gmail user, burrisconsulting@gmail.com. And this is what happened. When burrisconsulting@gmail.com opened up the spreadsheet and made a change, it sent the first message. At 9:38, it sent me a message back and said that Lee Burris made changes. And when you click on that document and you actually click on see the changes, it brings up this. And all I did was put the 200 in there. Then what happened was it changed. I got another message. A few minutes later, 9:39. Got a message says, Lee Burris made changes from 9:39 to 6:39 to 6:39. So I went and looked at that, and I see this was added. Then I got another message. That message came in at 9:41, a few minutes later, and said that Lee Burris made more changes. And I got this message, and it showed these other numbers he plugged in. I got one more message at 9:45. I waited a few more minutes. I didn't do it all rapidly, and said at 6:45 Pacific time, Lee made more changes, and this is what it looked like. He deleted it all. So the bottom line is, I've only tested this with one Gmail user accessing my Google Workplace documents, but I got a message every time Lee made the changes. That leads me to believe if I share the document with other email addresses, not just globally share it or publicly share, but I share it with other specific email addresses, that I would get a message each time any of those editors who accessed the document and changed it made a change. Let me show you what an editor looks like. This is what an editor looked like, and I had to put in an email address like this, Burris Consulting, and I had to make the person an editor or maybe a commenter. But if you want to see changes to the spreadsheet, you have to make them an editor, and then you can send them a message and invite them. And then when they get that message, then here's a safety warning or security warning. Then anytime either of these two people, this is the owner, me, either of these two people edit the document, you'll get an email alerting you the document was edited by whom. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.